What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I apologize. I've just been really busy trying to finish up the last few things before it gets cold outside, and I've got everything done outside, and then lo and behold, we've had nice weather for the last few weeks. So I tried to squeeze in a few other smaller things before it really starts to get cold. And on top of doing handyman jobs and running my business, I'm sure you can see behind me, there's a hole in this wall. So amidst doing that, this is my own house. This is my downstairs bathroom. I have had this stuff and put it off for 2 years because of being busy. And other than that, I really don't have an excuse. Other than your house is always the last one to get worked on when you are in the trades or have a business like a handyman business. But anyways, I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you guys how far I've gotten so far on this project. It's a small bathroom, 5x5. I don't do bathroom remodels in my handyman business. It's just too much work. I'm not good enough at tiling. It'll take too much time and I can't be efficient, so I don't do it. But this is my own bathroom. I remodeled our last bathroom in our old house, and this one I just couldn't take it anymore. As you can see, I've already started the demo. I'll show you guys real quick. The toilet's still there so we can use it. There was a vanity here, you can see that. It came all the way out to the edge of the toilet, which is just ridiculous. And then what they did was they put the vanity here, and you can see that huge thing of caulk that they used, just so that water wouldn't come out of the tub and drip over here in between the cabinet and the floor. Really ugly medicine cabinet up here. You can see how ugly the light is. Obviously, like I said, I already started the demo, so this is how far I've gotten. This side here was another medicine cabinet that was ugly. Just the bathroom, I just don't like it. It's got like that red, it's hard to see in the camera, but it's more like pinkish tile. It's not even red. They had tile in the ceiling, which what they did was they just put that piece of plywood up there from what I gather. Hardy backer to that, and then tile. But I will say, I haven't found any mold anywhere so far. There was a couple of little tiny spots behind the vanity, but other than that, whoever did this bathroom, it just held up, except for one spot. Right there. Every time there's a window in the shower, you have this problem where water gets in there one way or the other. So my old bathroom, same thing, window in the shower for light. So what I did was, I took this part of the window out, I raised it up, and put a picture window in there so that no water could splash up onto the windowsill. But the other thing I also did was, see how all these tiles are like this? Our old bathroom, I put one solid piece of marble going all the way across, so it's just lesser chance of water getting in there, even though it was higher up. I wanted to do it as thorough as I could. So I started this area here, and you can see these water has gotten in here. It's not too wet, no mold, but water has gotten in there because those tiles literally are just peeling off of my hands. I like hardly even have to put a pry bar in there and pry those apart. So that's how far I've gotten. Okay, I'll show you what we are going to do, and then what I'll do is I'll just keep updating as the bathroom remodel goes on. We'll just do this as just a demo day, and I'll record the progress as we go along. But there'll be a new toilet here, white toilet there, white vanity there. That's a 24-inch vanity, so it's smaller. Mirror there, obviously light staying in the same place. There'll be a new fiberglass deep soaking Kohler tub with a Kohler drain, Kohler fixtures. That window, same thing. I'm going to take that window out, raise it up, put a picture frame in there just so we can get some natural light in there. And the flooring, we're going to do LVP flooring like that. It looks like tile, but it's LVP just because this is a downstairs bathroom. My two daughters are going to be using this for the rest of their life until they move out of the house. And I don't really feel like spending a ton of money to put a floor down that's really nice. And then this side, you can see really old door, old handle. The only thing is, once you get involved in one project, it always just leads into another and another and another with your house. Because yes, I'm going to remodel the bathroom, but now what am I going to be stuck with? I'm going to be stuck with old trim, old doors, and we're going to replace all those in the house too. We're going to put all new flooring down. I don't like the whole piecing it together thing, but I just at least got to get this bathroom done. I've had this stuff sitting in the garage for 2 years. I just got to get done. So that's why I'm just like, if I don't start it, it's never going to get done. So let's do it, and then we'll move on to the next thing. But so everything's just a process, right? Everything's a process, one step at a time. So I'm talking with a mask on, so sorry if you guys can't hear me, but see, the surface looked okay. Start getting all this off and look at the mold, see? So at some point water's gotten back behind the window and caused that mold damage. You can see on the back here too. So I'm gonna keep plugging away. We'll pull all this off. I'll get all this out. I'll spray all this with mold spray, and then we'll go from there. That should hopefully be the only bad area, because of course it's always right where the window is. Okay, I had to wait till, so we have a bad storm going on and the power went out, so I couldn't record for you guys because there's no light in here. So alright, here we go. Here's the finished demo. A little bit of drywall to cut there, no big deal, but 99% of the demo was done. I got the floor done, but you know, the tile looked okay from the top, didn't look like too much damage. And look, okay, so you can see water's gotten back there over time. So I sprayed all that down with this mold control, let it dry completely, so now it's totally dry. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take oil-based spray primer, and I'm just going to spray all this just to be safe. I'll spray under here too, and then there was a couple black spots here, so I'll just kind of spray from here around there down around where the tub is, just as an extra coat of coverage. This will just seal everything up and just makes me feel better that once I close the wall back up, that I'd done that. So I was wearing a mask when I tore all this off, and there we go. It's all demoed up. Everything looks pretty good now. All looks good. We're ready to move on to the next step. So for now, that's what I'm doing. I just want to update everyone. I am still here. I am still doing videos. I was just really busy. I'm trying to catch up. I'm starting this now, and we'll see how this project goes. So don't forget, guys, give me those thumbs up, share these videos, drop a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.